second. Hello! First time I've done a video in ages. At least it feels like it. And welcome to Bristol in the summer. It's very grey, very cloudy. It's horrible really. But it's alright outdoors. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video. Got a new bit for my bike. Let's see what it is. Come all the way from China. I'm going to unpack it and we'll see what it is. I just put it here because my tripod is in the car and my car is out on an expedition somewhere. So let's see what we got. Here we go. It's a pair of headlight protectors. How amazing! Right, let's go and see if they fit. Oh, stuck in the ground. Can't get it out. So a bit of seamless editing, and you won't have spotted what happened there, but this is what we got. New pair of glasses. I mean, for the bike, not for me. Let's see how they fit. Presumably something like that. So these have got two ridges, there's a hole and literally nothing else, so I'm not sure. I certainly can't do it with the camera in my hand, so I'm gonna have an experiment. Ooh, but there you go, roughly what it'll look like. Let's have a look properly. So they're a bit chunky. They're supposedly made for a Honda Zoomer. They look like they're kind of generic. Maybe they can fit a lot of bikes. And they're certainly quite deep. So I'm not sure if I do fit them, if it's going to interfere too much with how much light's thrown out, whether that will be a problem for the next MOT. But I'm going to fit them. I'm going to give them a go. I'll test them on the way to work tomorrow, which it will be dark, so see how it works. So I've not fitted them yet because I still, as I just said, I think they're going to be too deep. So now they were only cheap, a couple of quid. I can't remember how much. I'm going to see if I can saw them into tiny pieces, make it. Once they're sawn, they might not fit once I cut it. And whether I can actually cut it that accurately or not, I don't know. But I'm going to give it a go. And you're going to watch. Unless you turn off. Don't turn off. One side done. Probably a moral to this story, really. I think the moral is don't buy crap off the internet. Here we are burning out the planet, and I'm burning out a planet with bits of plastic from China that I then have to cut into little pieces in the hope that it will do something. Ta-da! Right, give that a test fit. If it does work, give it a little clean up with some sandpaper. And stick my trousers in the washing machine. So, quick test fit, and I mean it actually does fit much better. It's not sure how I'm going to fit them, probably cable ties, but I think that's actually doable now, and makes it look a bit steampunky, which I quite like. Right, I'm going to cable tie them on and see how it looks. Okay, so that's the finished article. As you can see, it's much thinner without the bits that I chopped off. And actually, they look pretty good for, you know, what they're supposed to do. Very thick. Thinner wire ones would have probably been better, but they could still fall foul of the MOT man quite possibly, and then they'll have to be chopped off. But that's not for nearly a year, so we'll see how it goes. Right. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next vid. Wet seat. Nice.